Hey y'all, I don't know what's going on out here in the world, but these braiding prices, I might need to become a braider because I'm not paying that. What? No, so I learned how to do it myself, and honestly, best decision I've made since combing out my locks, learning how to braid my own hair. I'm so hyped. I think I'm gonna start posting videos, just some like little, you know what, let me just watch the next video. Yeah.
Lost souls, you know.
Just want y'all to see the full effect. I feel like I really did that one. I did my big one on this one.